So, student, please refer the textbook. The next topic is the mesh topology. A mesh topology is a hybrid model incorporates all topologies. Mesh topology is shown in figure 9.21. These are the mesh topology, which is the hybrid of all topologies, that is bus, ring, star. In mesh topology, every devices is connected to every other devices, to each and every other devices. This increases fault tolerance but involves extra work. If media break, data transfer can take alternative routes. Cabling is complicated here. So these are the mesh topology. The detailed notes should be provided in the link. Please refer the link. Mesh topology. A mesh topology is a network setup where each computer and network devices is interconnected with one another. These are the important factors. This topology setups allows for most transmission to be distributed even if one of the connection goes down. It is a topology commonly used for wireless network. Below is a visual example of a simple computer setup on a network using a mesh topology. It is a topology commonly used for wireless networks. So these are the diagram for mesh topology. Please draw the diagram. The each and every computer connected to other. Different types of mesh topology are here. There are two forms of this topology: full mesh and partially connected mesh. In full mesh topology, every computer in the network has a connection to each other computer in that network. The number of connection in this network can be calculated using the formula n is the number of computer in the network, n into bracket of n minus 1 divided by 2. This is the full mesh topology. It means the each and every computer connected to each other. In partially connected mesh topology, at least two of the computer in the network have a connection to multiple other computers in that network. It is an inexpensive way to implement redundancy in network. If one of the primary computer or connection in the network fails, the rest of the network continue to operate normally. It means it is the partially connected network. It means the one computer it gets damaged, the another computer will be continue its works normally. The advantages of mesh topology: first one is the manage high amount of traffic because multiple devices can transmit data simultaneously. Then second one is the failure of one device does not cause a break in the network or transmission of data. Adding additional devices does not disturb data transmission between the other devices. These are the main factors. Disadvantages of mesh topology is the cost to implement is higher than other network topology, making it less desirable option. Building and maintaining the topology is difficult and time consuming. The chance of redundant connection is high, which add to the high cost and potential for reduce the efficiency. These are the disadvantages of mesh topology. Please write down and draw the figure. The next topic is the network architecture. I am teach you in the next lecture.